Greetings everyone. Welcome to the session where I shall tell you about Socrative app and also how to use Socrative by student as well as by teacher. On the left hand side I shall log in as a student and on the right hand side I shall log in as teacher. What I have to do is I shall have to go to socrative.com, press login button and log in as student and login as teacher if I am a teacher. I have pressed login as teacher. This window will appear. You can create a new account by using this button create an account. I already have created the account, so I am going to log in. After login, I can see three things like quiz, space race, exit ticket. Quiz can be used during classes to engage students, and space race, exit ticket, all the three options serve three purposes, the same purpose to engaging the students during classes. On the top you can see launch button, quizzes. Here you can manage all your quizzes, rooms. You can have more than one quiz, but for that you will need Socrative Pro. Reports, you can see the reports of previous test. Result shows the current result for current quiz. Now I am going to make a new quiz set of quiz. To do this I am going to press quizzes, the second option on the top, press add quiz and create new. Window appears. Here I can rename the quiz, say it test 3. Three types of questions can be added like multiple choice question, true oblique false and short answer type question. I shall take first question as multiple choice question. Press this button. Now I shall put the question here. How many of you will use Socrative? Socrative. You can add picture for this question by pressing this button, and also every picture for every answer. A picture for every answer can be added by using these buttons. Let us say answers are 10, 20, 30 or 50. And suppose right answer is C, press this button, circle just before the option, then press this button, question will be added. Second question I am going to add like this, true and false type. This is a lathe machine. An image will be added. Suppose answer is false. Okay, answer is false. I have selected false. Press OK button to add this question. Short answer type. Was it easy to use Socrative? In this question, a student will answer the way they want to answer. It's a short answer type question. Simply press OK. That's all. All the three types of questions already have been prepared. Now, save and exit. I have saved the quiz naming test 3. Now I shall go to launch button. Now I will ask every student to log in. My room name is 23, which can be changed anytime by pressing rooms button. You can rename your room name like from here. A student will have to put the name of your room for login. On the left hand side, I'm using student side. Sameer23 is my room ID. Now I shall press launch button on teacher side. What I want to launch: quick questions, multiple choice question, true false, short answer. These are quick questions which will not require any kind of pre-preparations. No sooner student has logged in here, you can see how many students have logged in at this place. Now I am going to launch the quiz. Okay, which quiz I want to launch is test 3. Press next button and teacher paste. Now if I require name of a student who is attempting the quiz, I shall press this button, requires name. Shuffle answer. That's all. Start. Quiz will be started and it appears on student side. The student will have to put their name. Suppose I am taking this name. Press OK. Now student will be able to see the question. On right hand side you can see it's a teacher side, and left hand side it is showing student side. Here you can see 0 of 1 student has answered, means there are total number of students is 1, and 0 student has answered the question. Now I shall answer this question from student side like this. Submit it. 1 of 1 has answered. Then press next button for next question. Submit answer. Student has submitted answer. Press next button for next question. It was very easy. It was not easy, but I shall try. Submit answer. Okay, finish the quiz. Okay, the quiz is finished now. If I want to see the name of student, I shall press show names who has answered the question. Show names, then show answers. What answer student has given. You can download these reports in 3 format. By pressing report button, whole class Excel sheet, individual student, and also question specific PDF. That is all from my side. Thank you for taking interest in Socrative.